Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Venmo. Alright, let's begin. First, you will need a Venmo debit card. If you do not have one, request it through the Venmo app. Once approved, it will be mailed to you. Next, add your Venmo debit card to Apple Wallet. Open Apple Wallet, tap Add Card, select Debit or Credit Card, and enter your Venmo card details. Once added, your Venmo debit card will appear in Apple Wallet. Now, tap on your Apple Cash card in Apple Wallet. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select Instant Transfer to ensure quick processing. Finally, tap the Transfer button in the top right corner to complete the transaction. Your money will now be moved from Apple Pay to Venmo via your Venmo debit card. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Apple Pay to Venmo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.